Now, what is a scale factor? So we use a scale factor when we talk about increasing the size of a 2D shape. So the size by which you make a shape larger is called scale factor. So for example, I have a square here. Let me draw again. And the side of the square is 5 millimeters long. Now I'm going to make a copy of this square. And then I increase the size of the square so that this side is no longer 5 millimeters. It is now 10 millimeters. So as you can see, 10 is double 5. So what I just did here is I increased the size of the square by a scale factor of 2. So this is scale factor. Okay. Now, what if these numbers are not 5 and 10? What if I change it to, say, 4 and 7? What is the scale factor here? So in this lesson, you will learn how to find scale factor. And in order to find scale factor, you will follow these 2 steps. So step 1, you will need to use a pair of corresponding sides. And corresponding size means matching size. So use a pair of matching sides. And step 2, divide the larger number by the smaller number. So for example, in this question, the corresponding side is 4 and 7. Now if you want to work out the scale factor, you will do 7 divided by 4. So divide the larger number by the smaller number. So 7 divided by 4. And if you do that in your calculator, it will be 1.75. So the scale factor is 1.75. Okay? Now let's look at these examples. So the question is find the scale factor. And question A, we have triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And we need to work out what is the scale factor of these 2 similar triangles. Okay, in order to work out scale factor, you will need to follow these 2 steps. So step 1, use a pair of matching sides. So in these 2 triangles, we have AB match up with DE. So we can use this pair. And step 2, divide the larger number by the smaller number. So AB is equal to 4. DE is equal to 2. So what we need to do is 4, which is the larger number, divided by 2, which is smaller number. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is scale factor. This is the scale factor. Okay? And say if you don't use these 2 sides, okay? If you use AC, now AC match up with DF, they will give you the same answer as well because AC is 4, DF is 2, so 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2 as well. So it doesn't matter which pair of matching sides you use in your answer, you will always get the same answer, okay? Now question B, we will need to find the scale factor of these 2 triangles. So step 1, use a pair of matching sides. So I have side BA match up with ED, so I can use this pair. Now AB is 2, AB is 1, DE is 2. So scale factor is equal to larger number divided by smaller number. Larger number here is 2 divided by smaller number here is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So 2 is the scale factor. And remember, if you don't use this pair of matching sides, and if you use the other pair of matching sides, you will still get the same answer. So say if you use AC, and AC match up with DF, now AC is 1.5, DF is 3. If you do larger number is 3, so 3 divided by 1.5, you will also get 2. So no matter which pair of matching sides you're using, the answer will always be the same.